Hello friends, in this video we'll learn how to ingest data in Google BigQuery. So what all are the different ways for ingestion the data? Okay, so there are multiple ways to load the data into Google BigQuery depending upon the data source, data formats, load methods. We can load the batch data also, we can load the stream data also. So, okay, so we can load batch data, we can load stream data or real-time data. So the basic difference is batch data is generally coming like frequencies either coming on daily basis or weekly basis, like daily, weekly, okay, or bi-weekly or monthly. Okay, so these are the frequency of loading the batch data. Means batch data is coming on like frequencies, either it's we are loading on daily basis, either we are loading on weekly basis, either we are loading on bi-weekly or monthly or yearly, whatever. But real-time data we need to upload, and that is data. Its name suggests that it is the real-time data. Like you can say that cricket match data, you are generally we are seeing as a cricket score. Okay, it's always updating. So that's kind of a real-time data. So that kind of data we are seeing that. Okay. So there are different techniques. So firstly, we will talk about the batch ingestion. Okay, so what is batch ingestion? How we are using that? So batch ingestion involves loading large bounded data sets. Okay, so here we are handling large data set, or means you can say that large files. So batch ingestion is very good in that. Okay, so here we are ingesting data at a special frequencies, particular frequencies. Frequency, as I discuss about the like daily, weekly, monthly, so these kind of things. Okay, so here we can load the data any format. Like we can load the data in CSV format, parquet format, Avro format, okay, and ORC. We can load data in the any format or JSON format. Okay. So this is we already discuss about that. Okay. So BigQuery batch load data is free. BigQuery batch loads jobs are free. Only we need to pay like the storing and querying the data, like storing the data and querying the data. For only this we need to pay. Okay, so now what are the different load methods are available? So load methods are available, like one is Dataproc, another one is Dataflow. Okay, another one is using command line, or you can say that SDK command via BK load. Okay, or like if you have one or two table using BigQuery UI. These are the different load method we are using. Okay, and for so this is generally we are using with the like when we need to ingest the batch ingestion. So what about the streaming ingestion? Ingestion. So streaming ingestion support that require analyzing high volume of continuously arriving the real-time data. Okay, so generally whenever we have data is coming continuously, it is coming every 5 second, 10 second new data is coming. So that kind of a data we are that is called as a streaming data. Okay, that kind of data we are ingested. So one of the common pattern to ingest the real-time data on the Google Cloud platform is to read message from the cloud pub-sub topic. So we have one technology, pub-sub topic. Okay, using pub-sub topic and cloud data flow pipeline that runs on streaming. Okay, so for batch ingestion, we have a lot of technologies available. Dataproc is available, dataflow is available using command line, BQ command, using BigQuery UI. Okay, for streaming ingestion, we are generally using the PubSub, and with the PubSub, we are using the dataflow. In the dataflow pipeline, we are using the Apache Beam. Okay, so we can write streaming pipeline in Apache Spark and run on Hadoop cluster also with the help of Cloud Dataproc. So it's all depends upon requirement. But like the best thing is with the PubSub and the Cloud Dataflow, we are using that. Okay, so this is a different method related to the ingest the data. So one is the batch, another one is the streaming. In batch, we have Dataproc is there, Dataflow is there via BQ command line, yeah, it means SDK commands, or you can say that BQ user interface via that console.google.com. Via that also, if we want to load one or two table, we can load that table. Another for streaming ingestion, we are using PubSub topic and Cloud Dataflow pipeline that runs on the streaming platform. So these are the different techniques which we are using. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys.